Acalypha indica is a powerful homeopathic remedy widely used for health issues like coughing up blood, chronic cough, chest pain, and tuberculosis-related symptoms. It's especially helpful for people dealing with persistent blood-tinged cough or weak lung function. If you're looking for a natural and trusted solution, this medicine is available across Canada, especially at Hakim Homeopathic in Richmond Hill, Ontario. Always consult a qualified homeopathic practitioner before use.